Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pre-install Diablo 4 Beta. And to do this you will need to get the Battle.net launcher, which I have right here. Then if you already have the Diablo 4 in your library, you can go through it like this and select Diablo right here. Now we can't install it, as you can see, but to get the preload for beta we'll need to click on this pop-up right here and then select Diablo 4 Beta, and now click on pre-install, and here simply choose where you want to install the game, and just read through everything and customize this process. Click on start install and the game should start downloading. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.